Good day, sir, madam. I'm Ana Rinsalo Salvador, 38 years old. I'm married. I have blessed with 3 children ages 17, 15, and 8. My highest educational attainment is college undergraduate. I work as domestic helper in Malaysia for 3 years. I have served 1 couple, 3 children ages 5, 8, and 13. I work as domestic helper in Singapore for 2 years. I have served 1 couple, 2 popos, and 3 children, ages 8, 13, and 15. I work as domestic helper in Hong Kong. I have served 1 couple, 1 child, age 13. My main responsibilities and duties in my previous employer are washing clothes, doing household chores, ironing clothes, marketing, and wash car. To my future employer, I need this job. I love to work. I will respect and obey my future employer. I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you, sir, madam.